Hey, did you just see this? Louis Vuitton pulled off a crazy fashion flex in New York City. Their flagship store is under renovation, so they turned the entire building into a gigantic stack of iconic LV trucks. Handles, locks, rivets, every detail screams luxury, with one handle weighing 5,000 pounds. But wait, there's more. While the flagship is getting its glow up, LV has opened a stunning temporary store just around the corner. The result? New York City just got a LV makeover, a show stopping facade that's everyone talking about, and no more eyesores. Follow to know more about the latest marketing stunt.